Howdy. Yeah, something odd. See my hand? Like, it's just a hand. It's a bit dirty. It's moving some wood. It's in my bus. I don't know, what else was I doing? This machine here, my hand gets close to it. It's, okay. What is this measuring? Electromagnetic radiation tester, unit electric field. Something vectoring, it's not volts per, I think that's per minute or per meter. Anyways, magnetic field, I don't know, that's like a micro T, whatever that is. Precision electric field, 1 V per M, magnetic field, 0.01, I don't know what that U is. Range electric field, 1 V per M to 1999 V per M. Magnetic field, anyways, read it. Alarm, threshold value, electric field, 40 BPM. That's considered like the edge of safety, 40 BPM for like a sustained period. Magnetic field, 0.4 UT. So I must be radioactive. I don't know why my hand being there. Wait, now it's going. It's probably just acting up, but why does it happen? Okay. Well, I don't know. My hand's there. Like, yes, the mouse will put out radiation. Like, it's plugged in. If I plug in the keyboard, like there, the keyboard's not plugged in. It's reading 0. I'm gonna plug it in. It's just a keyboard. Now it's reading 40. I think it can read higher than that. Okay, with my hand there, it's going crazy. This wasn't happening before. Is there an explanation for this? Why is this happening? Should I check my other hands? Not as high. Is it? It's still pretty high. Like, why? Why is that? Oops, sorry. Hey, it turned off. Reset. Radioactive. What did I eat today? Okay, I ate some seaweed. Okay, should I check if it's my seaweed? I only ate like a handful. Did I even eat that today? Yeah, I ate a handful. Okay. Went for a run. Maybe I have some nucleotides in my hands. Okay, now that I walked out of that area, this hand and this hand both, nothing. Like, turn around. The computer's up there. Getting close to the mouse. Okay, this seems to be kind of normal. Backing away from the computer. So it's like I have aluminum in my hand and the electromagnetic field from the mouse and keyboard are going off of the aluminum and creating electromagnetism or something. Gee, but when my hand's gone, nothing. Doesn't make any sense. Do I have a piece of aluminum anywhere? I doubt it. I should have some aluminum foil, but I don't really have it. Okay. I'm just disturbed. Whoa. I just touch it and it goes crazy. Weird. But if I walk away from this technology, my hand is not doing it. Now, if I walk towards an outlet, what's going to happen? Like, okay, that's just a light switch, but still, there's wires at 120 volts. And it's on. What if I turn it off? Doesn't seem to affect it that much, but it affects it a bit. Go a little, close to it, it's way more. When it's running, it goes up like half more. Oh, well now I have no light. Great. Step away from the electrical. I mean, my phone doesn't seem to do anything. I hold it really close to the phone. Like basically touching it on the top of my phone. Touch it on bottom to bottom. It's reading nothing. If I stay out of this area which I'm approaching. Okay, could it be the monitor? What happens getting real close to the monitor? Monitor, of course, reads high. But what happens when I remove my hand? Right now it's reading 140. Remove my hand, it goes down to 52. So there seems to be a resonance feedback happening. Turn the screen off. Oh, it's also the speakers. It could be the speakers more than the screen. Turn the screen on. Put my hand there with the screen off. Doesn't seem to be doing a whole lot. When I touch it, it goes way up. Holy shit, that's not a good amount. I'll have to stay away from this stuff for a while. I don't know what's going on. Well, a bit boggling, but here we are. That's with the screen on. That's with my hand close by. Not exactly more. Hand on it, way more. It off. Well, speakers, right? I'm not going to bother unplugging them. If I back away from this thing, my hand's holding it, obviously. I'm like 3-4 feet away now. It's 0. Yay. I'll just go with that. Fear of radiation, eh? Scary stuff. And it wasn't just like this wired stuff. Like, I've also got... I'll turn the light back on. Okay. So I've got this device. I've got these remotes, alright? Got 2 remotes. They're reading 0. Good. What the hell? Why? I mean, I know they're right between my computer and speakers which are on, and the keyboard which are plugged in. Actually, just the mouse is plugged in. Now let's get away from all that. Down here with my remotes, they probably don't need to be putting out any signals. They're reading 0. When my hand goes close to them, what happens? Nothing. What about when my hand's on this device? The palm of my hand? Nothing. Well, earlier I was getting a reading. So it seems like this phenomena is happening around here. Here's the keyboard. Here's the mouse. Mouse is plugged in, not reading anything. Okay, maybe this machine's just acting up, right? It also has 2 settings. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna unplug the mouse. Alright, see if that helps. It's not really doing anything right now. $50, $60, something like that. If I remove these remotes, like how far am I gonna have to move them? Way over here. Can't seem to. Oh, wait, what is going on? So I don't know, man. Radioactive. I think it could be just malfunctioning, but how does it sense my hand? Like, it also has a temperature sensor, 16.6 degrees Celsius. I don't know what UTs are. I guess I should brush up on information like that. Anyone know? Want to share information about this link? I don't know. Curious. Mouse and keyboard are unplugged right now. This thing, of course, will put out some power as well. Even without my hand there. Way back here. This thing's crazy. Okay, maybe this thing's also something to watch out. Just a mouse and a keyboard. But this is just one type of energy it's measuring. I didn't know my hands could make it worse, or not make it worse, but screw up the machine, or what? I don't know. I mean, we're electromagnetic ourselves. It's a cheap machine. Maybe it's just some sort of magnetism. But it says right on the back what it is. Turn it off. Have to look that up. Maybe this is all pointless. I mean, still rolling though. Alright. It's a cat video now. Turn this back on. Okay, it has two settings. E field, average, and average hold. H field, average, and average hold. Toggling the hold. I press the power button. Hold it to turn this off. I think this is a long enough video. Just wondering how my hands are affecting this. Alright.